Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises both health and convenience, the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet. This isn't just another pan, folks. It's a 9.5-inch chef pan, designed to make your everyday cooking a breeze, and we're going to explore exactly why. Let's start with the biggest promise this pan makes: health. The SENSARTE pan is crafted from natural ceramic. This is crucial because it's completely free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. That means no toxic substances will leach into your food, even if you happen to overheat the pan. They even state that no coating will come off into your food. This is a significant selling point for anyone who is concerned about the chemicals found in traditional non-stick cookware. It offers peace of mind that what you're cooking with is truly safe. Now, let's talk about performance, specifically its super non-stick surface. The company claims that eggs can just slide right off the pan without any effort. This means cooking becomes not only easier but also allows you to use less oil, making your meals healthier and, in theory, more flavorful. We'll see how that holds up in practice. A truly non-stick surface can transform your cooking experience, making delicate foods like eggs and fish much easier to manage. Compatibility with your stovetop is another key feature, and this pan is induction compatible. It's constructed with heavy-duty cast aluminum and features an induction base designed to prevent warping or wobbling. This ensures fast and even heating, which is essential for consistent cooking results. It's suitable for all stovetops, which is a big plus for those who might switch between gas, electric, or induction in the future. The even heat distribution means you're less likely to have hot spots that burn your food. The handle on this skillet is made of bakelite and has a woodgrain design. It's designed to be comfortable to grip and, importantly, stays cool while you're cooking. This is a practical feature that adds to the overall user experience. Furthermore, the omelet pan is oven-safe up to an impressive 550 degrees Fahrenheit. However, a crucial detail to remember is that you must remove the handle before placing the pan in the oven. This allows for versatile cooking options, from stovetop to oven. And finally, we all dread the cleanup. SENSARTE addresses this by highlighting the ease of cleaning. Its slippery, non-stick surface and a rivet-free design are meant to make cleaning in seconds with just a towel, soap, and warm water. They do recommend hand washing to extend the life of the pan, which is pretty standard for high-quality non-stick cookware. Minimal scrubbing and quick cleanup are definitely attractive benefits. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the healthy, non-toxic ceramic construction is a major advantage, offering a safer alternative to traditional non-stick pans. The super non-stick performance, if it lives up to its claims, will make cooking and cleaning much easier and healthier. The induction compatibility and even heating are excellent for modern kitchens. The oven-safe feature with a cool touch handle adds a layer of versatility. For potential cons, while the non-stick is advertised as super, the longevity of any non-stick coating can be a concern over time, even with proper care. The recommendation for hand washing, while sensible, might be a minor inconvenience for some users. Also, the oven safety requires the removal of the handle, which is an extra step to consider. We'll need to see how durable the ceramic coating is after repeated use. In conclusion, the SENSARTE Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet presents itself as a strong contender in the cookware market, especially for those prioritizing health and ease of use. Its commitment to being free from harmful chemicals, combined with promising non-stick capabilities and versatile cooking features, makes it an attractive option for many home cooks. Link in the description.